Here is a wonderful 2023 Jeep Cherokee L. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This premium Grand Cherokee L delivers luxurious, family-focused comfort and no-nonsense utility. With 3 rows of flexible seating, refined cabin appointments, and a host of sought-after passenger amenities, this bold-spirited adventure vehicle has the performance and towing ability you need to make road trip dreams come true. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, heated mirrors, keyless start, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, backup camera. Get the space and comfort your family deserves with this remarkable Grand Cherokee L. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.